What are the different types of saddle and nut? At bakit kailangan malaman ng mga ito? Ang saddle at nut ang madalas na pinapa-repair or pinapa-adjust sa aming mga guitar tech dahil malaki ang effect nito sa action ng guitar. And did you know that it also affects the sound?
Huh?
Yes, kaya panoodin mo to hanggang dulo. There are many types of saddle materials available, but the three most common are plastic, bone, and tusk. Tusk is like a synthetic version of the bone, but it has a brighter sound. Both tusk and bone are very durable materials. Wala tayong sample ng tusk ngayon, so mag-focus na lang tayo sa dalawa. Simulan natin sa drop test. Ito ang tunog ng plastic. Ito naman ang sa bone. Notice that the bone already has a distinct tone compared to the plastic. And mas mabigat ito, guys. O, di ba nilalaglag mo palang may tono na? So, 1 point for the bone. Okay, bend test naman tayo. Plastic muna. So, makikita nyo na madali ko lang nabibend ang plastic. Kaya ko nga itong baliin actually pero wag naman, sayang Dito naman tayo sa bone. Notice that I'm already applying pressure on this one, guys. And makikita nyo na hindi ko talaga siya mabend. So that's another point for the bone material. Another way to check if your saddle or nut is a bone is to feel the texture. Ang bone, guys, parang to yung ngipin. Pero walang amoy bulok, ha. Tapos may slight discoloration at medyo manilaw-nilaw. Compared dito sa plastic, nahalata mo talagang synthetic. O, di ba, parang ngipin mo talaga, manilaw-nilaw pa. Obviously, the bone material is a better choice compared to plastic. If you have an extra budget, then go for the bone. Kung wala naman, okay lang din naman ang plastic. Slight difference lang naman ito, guys. Ang mahalaga ay nakaset up ang gitara mo. Yes! Ayos ba? Pusuan mo naman tong video na to kung nagustuhan mo. If you want more videos like this, just follow me. Once again, it's me, your guitar doctor, Acoustomania. And thanks for watching!